Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Driven Garage. Today we're going to be working the Alfa Romeo 4C. Hopefully I'll make this a nice short and sweet video for you. We're going to just go ahead and replace the wiper blades on this car. It's not too hard at all. You'll see this little square clip on the inside. You'll go ahead and push it, press it out. This will slide right out. So I'll show you what that looks like finished. So if we go ahead and push that clip, if you want to use the little screwdriver, Phillips, flathead, push it, you go ahead and pull it out. Falls right out. I like to have a towel of some sort underneath it, just in case if you ever lift up the wiper arm, it doesn't damage it. The wiper blade just falls right out. I'm going to be using a Bosch Spectrum Direct Fit B2203 22-inch wiper blade. These range all the way from $15 up to $40, depending on where you're getting it. There's a lot of other blades to choose from in the aftermarket world. The only reason why I don't use a Fiat one, preferably in my opinion, is because, one, it's a little expensive if you want to get it from the dealer online. These tend to range, I've seen $50 to $100. I mean, I'll leave the part number in the description below. But if you look, it's a Fiat wiper blade. The reason why I use the Bosch Spectrum Direct Fit, I'll show you why. So as you can see with the Bosch Direct Fit, it has the contour even on both sides. So when the wiper blade is moving, engaging and disengaging, you have the same amount of pressure being applied to the windshield, as this works as a diffuser. And a lot of issues with the other wiper blades, if you are going to purchase one, make sure that you have the correct contour set up. This one is even 50-50, so it makes it a lot easier. Because if you look, you'll see how this contour is on one side, and a lot of the wiper blades you buy are like this, and this clip is going that way, and you need it to slide in this way, and it doesn't actually work. So if you are going to be purchasing another blade besides the Fiat and this Bosch one, just keep in mind you need to make sure the clip actually is engaging the correct way, or this diffuser, this contour in a sense of the blade, won't actually be giving you full effect when it's engaged on your windshield. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this in. I'll show you what that looks like complete. It's nothing that hard at all. I'm going to go ahead and use one hand just to show it's not that hard. I just started it. Slides nice in, makes a little click. Wiggle it, and there you go. It's really easy to replace, guys, the wiper blade. Other than that, hope you guys liked the video. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you got any questions, leave a comment below. I'll leave a couple other part numbers if you want something else, and also that Fiat one. Other than that, thanks, guys.